In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import HTML to Mailchimp quick and easy. This process should take about 5 minutes, so let's dive right in and get started. First things first, it's essential to prepare your HTML file properly to ensure a smooth import process. You should make sure that your email template is a single HTML file. This means consolidating all your HTML content into one document. If your email incorporates images, remember to upload them to a web server or a reliable cloud storage service. You'll need to update your HTML file to use absolute URLs for these images, ensuring they appear as intended when the email is opened. Another crucial point to keep in mind is that Mailchimp doesn't support style tags within the head section of your HTML, so all your CSS should be converted to inline styles. This might sound a bit tedious, but it guarantees that your email will display correctly for all recipients. Once your HTML file is prepped and ready to go, you need to log into your Mailchimp account, head over to Mailchimp's website and sign in with your credentials. After logging in, navigate to the campaign section using the menu on the left hand side. This is where you'll create your new email campaign. To do this, click on Create Campaign and then choose Email before selecting Regular Email. This sequence is straightforward and sets you up for the next steps. When prompted to select a template, find the Content section and click Design Email. You'll be taken to the email design interface. Here you want to look for a code block to drag and drop into the design area. Once placed, this code block becomes your workspace for embedding all your HTML magic. Now switch to the HTML editor within the code block and paste your carefully prepped HTML code. It's that simple. As soon as your HTML code is in place, click Save and Close to save your template file. With your template ready, it's crucial to preview your email before sending it out to your audience. Use the preview and test feature to ensure your email is responsive and looks great on various devices. This feature lets you make any necessary tweaks to improve the viewing experience for all your subscribers. Finally, to wrap things up, go ahead and send yourself a test email. This will allow you to verify that everything looks precisely as it should across different platforms and devices before you hit that send button to your entire list. And that's it, you've successfully imported your HTML email template into Mailchimp. Follow these steps and you'll have professional and polished looking emails every time. Thanks for watching and happy emailing.